Hey everybody, this is Trina from Trina Does Things, and welcome back to my channel for another plan with me. And today I'm really excited to use this kit, and it was a printable from Shannon Janine's Etsy shop, and it is called Celestial. Yes, and this is a printable that I got from her during a sale, and I'm not entirely sure which sale it was. But here we've got the top washi and the bottom washi strips, some checklists, habit trackers, some scripts, sorry, not strips, and there's more stuff that we got. Oh, and there's the train. And we've got some full boxes right here. This is so gorgeous. Let me zoom in real quick, and it's really pretty. I just love how pretty these boxes are, and it's just the theme is celestial, and I do love the colors. It's navy blue, some pink, and some light blue, and we've got the dates here and some banners this week to do, and we've got more scripts, and I love how dainty and simple these scripts are, and I'm really excited to use it. Let me show you more. We've got excuse me, we've got some quarterback boxes, and we've got some half boxes. We've got some icons like Friday, retail therapy, movie night, Instagram, Etsy, because shopping and stuff. And we've got some sticky notes here, and there's more decorative stuff that I could put on the right page of the Hobonichi. And I've never used something like this before, so this is going to be a learning process for me. And if you want to see my plan with me, please stick around and let's do this. So I decided to fill in my trackers with doing Instagram, scripture study, and workout. And then I was struggling with trying to put fill in this right page for this week. I was just like really bad. So I had to do a lot of corrections, but I decided with this week banner with Monday through Sunday checklist, added some decorations. Unfortunately, I couldn't add that big box with a quote, so I'll probably save it for the next time I do a spread that probably would fit this quote slash art. And I added some notes, and I added don't forget and my goals for this week, in which I do need to do my applications for jobs and catch up on my 2020 workout challenge from Blogilates. And then I added some of the scripts that were part of this kit and used rose gold foiled icons to go with the scripts. And these rose gold icons are from Chasing Chels. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it on her shop anymore. I hope she brings it back because I really would love to stock up on these sheets. And then I added more stuff on the right side. This spread was just a mess for me. I was all over the place. I've never done memory planning ever before, so this is my first time doing memory planning, so I was just setting everything up. I'm so used to pre-planning everything, writing everything down that I need to do for the week, and so this is very new to me. As you can see, I zoomed in because I messed up. Also, I noticed that the 13 has some ink on it because my little what is this called? I don't know what it's called. Oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart, but it had ink on it, and so I messed up with that. Anyway, on Monday we did a date night, and I picked up my meds and we did some Korean barbecue because we decided since we're in the area, we're just gonna eat Korean barbecue for a date night. And I pulled in this medication icon from Plan for Happy and the couple eating food on the table from the Coffee Monsters Co. And as you can see on the sidebar of the right side, I'm doing more of a mood tracker, so I'm using emoji heads for each and every day of the week from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I filled out my this week with the stuff that I need to get done. And then I already told you I was going to apply for jobs, and then my goals for this week is to just catch up. Added a to-do list that I can do over the week, which is packing luggages, sending out stickers, and designing more stickers. And then I decided to actually write down the things I needed to do for the next week, which is finish my last minute packing, and I'm really good at doing last minute things. I love procrastinating. I don't know why. I hate it, but I love it because it's really bad. It's really bad. But anyway, next week I'll also be flying to the Philippines. So I wrote that down, and then I'm doing quick charity stuff, volunteering kind of deal, because just this past weekend, no, 2 weekends ago, the Taal volcano erupted, which was just a little ways away from my hometown. So I decided that I wanted to do a fundraiser, and I'm still finalizing my details on that. And then on Tuesday, I sent out stickers that were from the fundraiser, and I had to contact the DMV because I had some issues with my car and stuff. And I pulled in that print and cut sticker from Plan for Happy to print out more stickers. And then I added these little icons, the passport and the luggage icon with Maru in it from Paper and Milk, to double check on our passports and documentations and make sure that we have everything that we need to bring. And I also pulled in this cute airplane from Paper and Milk in the same sheet. It's a travel vacation sheet to just note that I need to print out and save flight details. I pulled in this Coffee Monsters Co. rice doodle to mark that I cooked bulgogi rice bowl that day, and it turned out super amazing. And then this sticker that I'm writing out, Weathering with You, because we watched it in theaters when it first came out, is from Happy Diet, and it was such a good movie. And then I accented this sticker with a rose gold foiled icon accent from Starlight Paper Studio. And on that day, I played some League, washed some dishes, took a nap for 4 hours. It was too long. And so that's bad, but I cleaned. And that's on my Wednesday, if I didn't mention that already. And then I also uploaded my January haul video on that day, and I didn't have space, so I put it on my Thursday and just squiggle an arrow. And I used the Coffee Monsters Co. upload emote. And then on that day, I did my daily workout and yoga. I was pretty proud of myself, trying to catch up on that workout. Played some League, fixed some luggage stuff, just trying to get it done. I was pretty happy that day. It was a good day. And then the next day is Friday, and I needed to call the EDD. Oh, unfortunately, I stabbed my paper because I don't have a dashboard. I really should invest in one. And then I had to do a YouTube binge. Not had to, but I wanted to. And then I received a happy mail from Simply Watercolor Co. with I don't know. I'm gonna do a haul, and I'm gonna feature that 5mm bow verticals in all the foils, and you'll see it's really pretty. On Saturday, I dropped off some mail and formatted a hobo kit that I'm working on, possibly to just have fun with it. And then I had to wash some of my bed sheets. And then my husband and I just binge watched The Simpsons. It just runs in the background, so I pulled in that Disney Plus emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. It was an okay day. I don't know, I just didn't have a good time that day. Things just didn't go my way. And so I pulled in this rose gold pencil to mark the planner time in which I'm just finishing all my spreads that day. And I went to a wedding fair with my friends Steph and Diana to help them with their weddings and just plan that out. They didn't have a date yet, so it was a very up in the air type of planning. And I woke up super early for it at like 6 a.m. And then I took a nap with my husband when I got home from the wedding fair. And I pulled that Happy Diet sticker. I'll do a little wiggle here for you. And I'll show it off in this little zoom in. And trying to do the Viv wiggle. I'm still trying to work on that. And so yeah, that's all my spread. So this is the remaining stickers from the kit, and I feel like it was a very full kit, and the only thing that I really didn't use is the third sheet, which has boxes, icons, and this big quote. I feel like it just didn't fit with my formatting, so I'm probably gonna save these for my next spread or whatever spread I do next. And this will be my last spread that I'll be doing until I go to the Philippines. This is the first time I've ever memory spread, so please leave a comment down below to tell me if you have any suggestions, comments at all. Ask me questions, whatever. I will answer it as soon as I can. And I'll be going to the Philippines for the next few weeks, so I'll be busy and I won't be able to upload any videos for the next 4 weeks, I want to say. Because I will get back to the US in February, at the end of February. So until then, I hope You guys have a wonderful rest of your month and have a wonderful beginning of your February. My accent, hello. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below, all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram at Planning with Trina, and I will see you on there. Thank you so much again, and have a good day. Bye-bye.